In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a restaurant food ordering website in Wix. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website settings, apps, and design tools. If you already have a Wix site for your restaurant, open that site from the dashboard. If not, you can still start from your dashboard and prepare everything from there. The dashboard is the main control center, so this is the right place to begin before you move into the editor. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on Apps, then choose Manage Apps. You can also open the Wix App Market directly if that is easier. This is where Wix lets you add extra features to your site without building them from scratch. For a restaurant website, this saves a lot of time and gives you tools that are already designed for menus and online ordering. In the App Market, search for Wix Restaurants and add it to your site. This app is what gives your website the restaurant-specific features you need. It helps you create a digital menu, organize food categories, and prepare the site for customer orders. Make sure the app is added completely before moving on, so all of the restaurant tools are available in your account. After that, follow the setup wizard. Wix will guide you through the process of creating your menu and setting up ordering. Take your time here because this is where you enter the important parts of your restaurant offering. You will be organizing your menu items and getting the ordering system ready for visitors. The setup wizard is helpful because it walks you through each section in a simple way, which makes the process much easier even if this is your first time building a food ordering site. Next, open the Wix editor and add the restaurant menu and online ordering pages to your site. This is the part where those features become visible to your visitors. The menu page allows customers to browse your food items clearly, while the online ordering page gives them a direct way to place an order. Adding both pages is important because together they create the full customer experience, from viewing the menu to completing an order. Once everything looks right, click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live so customers can access your restaurant website online. Before you do that, it is always a good idea to quickly review the site to make sure the menu and ordering pages are showing properly. That covers everything you need to know.